Turning elsewhere, in the wake of the Florida school shooting, you've heard a lot of talk about getting guns away from people who might do something crazy, but it's a lot easier said than done. Some states have passed so-called red flag laws that allow authorities to seize guns right away and let courts sort out the details later down the road. It's controversial, and in the state of Maryland, the legislature is wading right into it. Our Scott Broom is in Annapolis.
What legislators are talking about here is not just about scary school shooters like Nicholas Cruz. What if a family member is scaring you with talk about suicide?
He promised that he would get help.
Listen to Cheryl Brooks's story from 2013.
Yes, but I could not get him to give up the gun. I was powerless.
Her son, Peter Papalilli, a genetic engineer, went on to kill himself in 2014. From tortured souls to potential school shooters, police cannot just seize guns because a terrified mom, teacher, therapist, or neighbor calls for help. It takes court orders or involuntary psychiatric commitments, difficult to obtain and time-consuming.
Issue an order to surrender the firearms.
Maryland legislators are now considering changes. A so-called red flag law that would give judges the authority to order the immediate seizure of guns within hours when someone raises the alarm, and sort out the details in court later within 14 days. Gun rights supporters warn a red flag law can be abused to seize guns from law-abiding owners with very little due process. Exactly. What about people who make exaggerated or false claims? Well, the red flag law they're looking at here in Maryland would slap someone like that with a criminal perjury charge to make them think twice. In Annapolis, Scott Broom, WUSA 9.
6 states, including California and Connecticut, already have red flag laws. An effort to pass a law in Virginia, it failed last year.